Hi there. Today I'm going to take you through the process of using any Pages, Keynote, or Numbers document inside of your virtual course via Schoology. So I found this article and I would like to send it to my learners and have them act on it, annotating using the highlight tool to highlight any of the facts in the article. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take this article and I'm going to place it into Google Drive. I find that it's the easiest way to kind of create a link that's easily accessible and allow learners to download that article. So now that I've got that, I'm going to create this link. I'm going to create an assignment because I want them to be able to later turn in their highlighted version. So I've created my assignment here on Schoology, giving it a name and some directions. And now what I'm going to do is highlight all of that text. I'm going to use the link tool to link that there. I'm also going to place it down here at the bottom so that it's just kind of unmissable for the learners. Go ahead and assign any scales, categories, and things like that that I'm going to use to score. Once I've assigned all those categories and due dates, I'll create this. And then what learners will see on their end, we go to course options, view course as, and then choose a learner that we'd like to view this as. Be able to find that article. They can see it here, and then they can just simply download that so that they can start marking up the Mammoth Find article. That works exactly the same on any Keynote, Pages, Numbers document that I want them to download. There is an accompanying video how-to for learners on how to download those and then how to re-upload those to submit. As always, I hope this was helpful and thanks for watching.